is Shundara. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And today I have this huge mystery box. I am so excited to unbox it. It is a Christmas one because baby is cold outside. It's Christmas, the firefly is blazing bright, and we're caroling through the night. If you hate on me and me butchering the words, you a hater. Just for constructive criticism is hated. And let me stop wielding this knife like I'm a knife fighter for YouTube to monetize this video. Side note, y'all know I'm left-handed, so left-handed people, we tend to like cut things open weird. I grew up as a Jehovah's Witness, so we really didn't grow up celebrating Christmas at all. Oh, wow. Oh, this is so cute. I am so excited. Come on, move over, box. Here's our mystery Christmas box. Isn't it beautiful? It was like $300. I got it on eBay. It was either a naughty box or a nice box. I decided to go with the nice box because you know what? I've been good this year, y'all. Let me read the note. It says, please enjoy in caps. This is our Christmas mystery box. It's already rattling. I'm excited. Come on, beauty. Yeah, what is this? Wait. Oh my God. The head fell off. Okay. It's looking a little ghetto. It's just like a Santa and it had these little green balls in there. So, okay, yeah, this is the first thing. It won't. Oh, okay, and then the little balls poop out. I don't know. I don't know. Let's see what these balls are. Let me lick it. It tastes like candy. It's very, very sweet. Maybe this would be some makeup. Let's see. You guys, they gave me soap. Okay. So soap is sort of like beauty, skincare, makeup. It's a lump of cold soap, but I don't know. I'm really confused because I was expecting a little bit more than soap. I was expecting like La Mer. So I'm really confused as to why I got soap. And I know it's soap because the box is like black in the inside. It's looking really ghetto and janky. Y'all see that black stuff? Let me turn the light down. Like, I wish they would have wrapped this stuff up better. What is this? It says beautiful, clean coal. What? I'm confused. What is going on? This isn't making sense. It says some people say that coal ain't as hot as it used to be, but those losers don't know. Coal is the original heat. It's been in the game for thousands of years and have been purified for much of it. Oh, I'm not reading this. Ever since the Industrial Revolution, nuclear, but coal will never go out of style. Why would I get coal? Is it like a face mask? Oh, it's actual coal. What is this? It don't smell clean. Hold on. It's not really giving clean, and it's giving like dirty. I'm confused as to why I got coal. Like, what am I gonna do with this? Like, put it as a face mask? I'm like really confused. Cause you know, like charcoal face mask, charcoal powder. So am I like supposed to pulverize it in my food processor? I'm like really confused. I don't know what to do. It's a face mask, right? Like coal? Like why would they just send me coal unless I was supposed to use it for a face mask? It's not making sense. Make it make sense because I need to eat some. Oh, y'all help me. I'm like laughing to prevent myself from crying at this point because I don't know what's going on. Let's keep the hope alive and see what this is. What is this? Oh, ew. What in the ghetto is this? Oh my God, is it like charcoal? I just got charcoal. Wait, why is it beat up? Why did they send me beat up? It's not open though, but it looks like they opened it and then sealed it. But how do you open this? What in the ghetto? Girl, this is giving ghetto mystery beauty box teas, not actual beauty box. This is like charcoal, but I'm gonna open one. This one was not open. Taste it. okay. It's chocolate. What I think happened, you guys, is UPS probably messed up the box and probably looked through it or something. I don't know. I'm assuming no one would just send me pieces of chocolate. That's insane. That's insane. Why would anyone do that? Next thing we have is this. I'm really excited. Oh, it's a bath bomb. Okay, we're getting there. We're getting there. I'm excited. So let's see what the next thing is. I'm gonna just close my eyes and pray for a miracle. What is this? What is this? Is it drugs? No, do I edit that out? Do I bleep that out? Because you know we can't be doing that on the channel. This is family friendly. Why would someone send me pills? What is this? Okay, this giving like, I don't know what to say. What is it? Let me open. Oh, it's lipstick. Oh, okay. We got wait, is it pigmented to y'all? Oh, this is a cute color. Okay, it's all the same color. Okay, so y'all just gave me the same color in different pill format. Can y'all see? They're literally all the same color. Okay, well, you know, I don't really know what to say, but it is beauty, so. It is kind of cute. What y'all think? Isn't it cute? Hey! Oh. You guys, what is this? Oh! Oh, I am so excited. Girl! It was a fake roach.
Of course it was.
I don't need background.
You buy from eBay.
You know, side note, I think I'm gonna have you contact the seller because
no.
You guys,
I have better things to do.
Why would anyone do this to me? This makes no sense. Like, why would you send me a roach?
You can even see if the box was, you know, what age range it
What
was.
is
If it was 18 and up.
That's absurd. It's on eBay. They don't do 18 and up box. What is that? That don't even make sense.
Well, because I've seen those at Target.
Really? They
Yeah.
have those at Target?
Uh-huh.
I think this one moves, Josh. Oh my God, it does move. Oh my God, this is believable. Anyone, look at it. Run, oh! Run, Roach, run! I'm gonna go ahead and contact eBay. Because why would anyone do this to me? I don't understand. I asked for a nice box. Why did I get a naughty box of ghetto treats? With that being said, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I think we're gonna have to discontinue our mystery box series because I don't want it to get worse for me instead of better. So I feel like we discontinuing this. With that being said, you guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you watch some of my other videos. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.